The engagement and re-engagement with all countries of the world towards returning Zimbabwe to its rightful place within the Committee of Nations is yielding notable progress. Our arms remain outstretched with a genuine heart of friendship and cooperation to all those willing to take this new and exciting journey of Zimbabwe's rebirth. In our desire to deepen democratic space in our country, we have established an open political platform where we invite all political parties to frank debate and dialogue on aspects of our social, political, and economic reforms. Comprehensive and far-reaching reforms are being implemented by my government for the benefit, protection, and economic prosperity of our people, in line with their ever-changing aspirations. Furthermore, the fiscal austerity and discipline has resulted in balanced books and a budget surplus, which is unprecedented in my country. The impact of change and reforms on the generality of our people take time, but we are in the right direction.